Namaste and good morning my dear students. I am mathematics teachers Mr. Tej Bahadur Thapamagar, and today I am going to teach class 8. Topics is Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the perpendicular and base. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of perpendicular and base. That means it is right angle triangles, it is perpendicular, it is base, and it is hypotenuse. Then the square of the hypotenuse is equals to sum of the square of perpendicular and base, means p square plus b square. Therefore, h is equals to under root p square plus b square. In a Pythagoras theorem, in h is always longest side, it opposite of right angle. It is called hypotenuse. That's why hypotenuse, it is perpendicular, it is base. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of perpendicular and base. So, h square is equals to p square plus b square. Therefore, h is equals to under root p square plus b square. Then if you find the p square is equals to h square minus b square. So, p is equals to under root h square minus b square. And next, b is equals to b square is equals to h square minus p square. So, b is equals to under root h square minus p square. If you find the h, under root p square plus b square, then if you find p, longest side is h, so h square minus under root h square minus b square, or b is equals to h under root h square minus p square. It is the most related formula. And please, some related questions here. Find the length of the unknown side. Find the length of the unknown side. Now here, look at the slide please. Slide. Now here A, B, C, it is axiom, it is 17th, it is 15th. Now here 17 is what? Means AC means what? AC means now here it is the opposite side of the right angle. So, it is hypotenuse. 17 cm is the hypotenuse and 15 cm is the perpendicular, and BC x means unknown term base is what? And solution please here. Hypotenuse AC is equals to 17 cm. Hypotenuse AC is equals to 17 cm, and perpendicular AB is equals to what? 15 cm. Now here BC is X, which is base. Base BC is equals to axiom, or it is what? By Pythagoras theorem, look at here please here. By Pythagoras theorem, BC base is equals to under root h square minus p square. By Pythagoras theorem, B is equals to under root h square minus p square. What is h here? H is hypotenuse, it is 17 cm then whole square, minus perpendicular is 15 cm then whole square. And what is the square of 17? 17 into 17, 289 under root 289 cm square minus 15 225, and difference between them, what will be difference please here? 64 cm square, means B is equals to, or B means base, therefore B means what? B means, or it is denoted by x, better to write here x, B means x, because base means axiom, and x is equals to 8 cm. Hence the value of x is 8 cm. Hence the value of x is 8 cm. Once more please students. Now in a figures, 17 is the hypotenuse, 15 is the perpendicular, and x is base. Hypotenuse AC is equals to 17 cm, perpendicular AB is equals to 15 cm, and base is equals to what? By Pythagoras theorem, base is equals to h square minus p square, and substitute the value of h and p. 17 square means 17 into 17, and 15 means 15 into 15, and difference between them is 64. 64 is the 8 cm. And next question please. Next slide. Now here AB is base and AC is perpendicular. Find the unknown term x. X is here. What is x here? X is hypotenuse. You find the value of hypotenuse. Now, here hypotenuse is a known term. Question number 2. 2. First of all, draw the figure, please. Now, A, it is right angle. Now, here B, now here C. Hypotenuse is X, perpendicular is 9 cm and base is 40 cm. Solution, perpendicular AC is equals to 9 cm and base AC is equals to AB is equals to 40 cm and hypotenuse means BC is equals to X. By Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, you find the unknown term. Unknown term is h, and h is equals to under root. H is the longest side, so you find the square of perpendicular plus base. Remaining two side, p square plus b square, and under root p means what? Perpendicular AC 9 cm square and base is 40 cm square. H means X. Now, here or X is equals to 9 square means 81. 40 means 4 square means 16, then 00 cm square, and altogether is 1681 cm square. What is the square? Root 1681, please, using the calculator, my dear students. Root 1681 means 41 is the square root. So, 41 cm. So, the hence of that's unknown term is 41 cm. Hence, the value of X is 41 cm. 9 is perpendicular and 40 is base and X is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is unknown term here. To find out the hypotenuse here, and solution, please. Perpendicular is equals to 9 cm, base is equals to 40 cm and hypotenuse is equals to what? By Pythagoras theorem, if you find the h is equals to under root p square plus b square. Now, here h is unknown term x, so h means value x is equals to p means 9 cm square plus b means 40 cm square, and 9 means 81 plus 40 means 4 square means 16 and 00. Then 1681, it is the square root of 41. So, its hypotenuse is 41 cm, or the value of x is 41. And some related questions please. Another problems. Next slide please. What is the question? Look at here please. Yes, question number 3. Now here perpendicular is unknown here. X is denoted by perpendicular is x here. AC is unknown. Now here it is denoted by x. Question number 3, it is 13 cm, it is 12 cm. Now here look at the whiteboard please. Suppose perpendicular AC is equals to what? BC, base AB is equals to 12 cm and hypotenuse BC is equals to 13 cm. By Pythagoras theorem, which is unknown term here, perpendicular is the unknown term. So, P is equals to under root h square minus b square. P means x, h means 13 square minus base means 12 cm square, x is equals to 13 means 169 cm square minus 12 means 144 cm square. Now, x is equals to difference between them, it is 25 cm square, 25 is 5 cm. Therefore, x is equals to 5 cm. Now, here unknown value x is 5 cm, its perpendicular is 5 cm. Hence, the value of x is or perpendicular is 5 cm. It is required answer. Figure please. 12 is base, 13 is hypotenuse and x is perpendicular. By using the formula of the Pythagoras, P is equals to h square minus p square, and substitute the value of P, h and B, and 13 means 169 and 12 means 144 and 25 is, it is square root of 5. So, the value of unknown term x is 5 cm. Next question please. Look at the slide. Question number 4. Which of the following measures are the measures of side of a right angle triangle? A is 6 cm, A is equals to 6 cm, 8 cm and 9 cm. 6m, square of 6m is, square of 6m is 6 into 6, 36. Means let 6m, 8m and 9m are just a minute please. P is equals to 6m, B is equals to 8m and H is equals to 9m. Let 6 means P, 8 means B and C means 9 means H. Now, P square is equals to 6m then whole square 36 cm square. Next, B square is equals to, what is the value of B? B is 8 cm square means 64 cm square. Now, therefore, what is the sum of P square plus B square? P square plus B square is 36 cm square plus 64 cm square. What is the value of them? 100 cm square. Again, H square is equals to 9 cm then whole square, 9 9 is 81 cm square. What is the sum of P square plus B square? Look at here please. The sum of P square plus B square is 100 cm square, and what is the value of H square? 81. If those are equal, H square is equals to P square plus B square. If those are equal, no, that is not equal. H square does not equal to P square plus B square. Hence, that side are 6 cm, 8 cm, 9 cm is not a side of the right angle triangle. Therefore, H square does not equals to P square plus B square. Hence, 6 cm, 8 cm and 9 cm are not side of a right angles triangle. That is not a sides of a right angles triangle. Next, last question please. Our question number B also. B 24 cm and 25 cm and 7 cm. Suppose that's 24 is let P and 7 is B and 25 is to be let H please. And now here find the square of P square and find the value of B square, and similarly find the square of P square plus B square, and same again find the value of H square. If sum of P square plus B square is equal to H square, it will be side of right angle triangle, and sum of P square plus B square is does not equal to H square, then that is not a side of right angle triangle. So, please Question number B, please you try. That is your activities, please. 24 CM, 25 and 7, find the p square and sum of find the p square plus b square, that will be equal to h square. That are the side of the Pythagoras, side of the right angle triangle, or those sum does not equal to p square plus b square does not equal to h square, that is not a side of the right angle triangle. And please this one questions, please homeworks. And my dear students, my time is over. Tomorrow is Wednesday, so same time my class. Thank you everybody. Goodbye. Have a nice day.